Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to teach you how you can create a professional YouTube channel. And if you have a YouTube channel already, there are some professional settings on YouTube that you need to set so that your channel will be visible, so that people can see your videos and YouTube will promote your content. Most YouTubers don't know about these settings, but in today's video, I will teach you step by step how you can run these professional YouTube settings. Now, I will use this YouTube account as an example. This is my normal YouTube page. So if you want to run the settings, what you need to do, first of all, you need to go to YouTube Studio. So I will go to my YouTube Studio. From YouTube Studio, we can run different settings, professional settings, so that our channel will be visible. People can see our contents. Now, when you're in YouTube Studio, this is my YouTube Studio. I have about 3 channels. So I'll be using this channel as an example. So when you go to YouTube Studio, you will see this place that they wrote settings. You click on settings. When you click on settings, you see, you can choose the currency you want your channel to be. I've already chosen my own, which is USD, US dollar. So you go to channel. When you go to channel, you can see basic information. You can see basic information. So you have to choose your country of residence, because if you don't choose your country of residence, by the time you want to apply for monetization, YouTube will tell you that your location is not approved for monetization. So you need to choose this country, because they need to know the country where you are from. It's very important. Then you can see keywords here. These keywords simply means the things that are related to your content, the kind of videos you want to create. You need to create a keyword, because people are searching for those kinds of video on YouTube and on Google search engine. So these keywords will help people to see your videos. These keywords will help people to YouTube to know what your content is all about, what your channel is all about, so they will know the kind of people they will push your content, they will advertise your content, they will send your content to for them to watch your content. So let's say in this particular video, I'll be talking about this channel. I'll be talking about how to make money online. So for example, my keyword should be able to be, I will say something like how to make money online. You will put comma, you have to separate it. Then another keyword I will say, like, I'll also be talking about cryptocurrency. So I'll say, okay, Bitcoin. How to trade Bitcoin. You can say how to make money with affiliate marketing. These are keywords. These are different keywords. I can say money. I can say how to. Then I will also put the name of my channel, which is Big Points. Okay. Then there are different keywords. This is also an example. So I will stop here, but I just want to show an example of keywords that you need to put on your channel. So once people are searching about how to make money online, how to make money with affiliate marketing, how to make money with cryptocurrency trading, your channel will be what? Sent to them. Your videos, your content will be sent to them. YouTube will show some of your videos that are related to what they are searching. So this is why keyword is very important for you to do. The next one I will show you is you go to advanced setting. This is basic information. Okay. Then you now go to advanced setting. On advanced setting, you will see you have to select one of these. Yes, set this channel has made for kids. No, set this channel has not made for kids. I want to review these settings for every video. So if normally your video is all about not made for kids, I would advise you just set it, choose the middle one. No, set this channel. So you will not be setting this in any time you're uploading video. Okay, so you set that. So keyword. Okay, then when you go to feature eligibility, you make sure that you have done some YouTube verification, like 2-step verification, so that YouTube will allow you to upload videos with over 15 minutes, and YouTube will allow you to upload thumbnails. So you need to what? You need to set your 2-step verification with your phone number, a valid phone number, so that they can enable it and you have more features on YouTube. So after doing this, the next thing we need to do now is to go to channel, is to go to upload defaults. This upload default, I will always advise you leave this title. Upload, if you put any title here, it means any video you upload, the title you put here will be the title of the video. So there's no need, because your videos, your new videos will always have different title. Then the video description will also have different description, but there's some description you need to have on your video. So this, like the one I put, let me just show an example. Video description, like this one, I've already arranged this one. So I can copy this. I can copy this. Okay, you copy this. I'll go to my description and I'll paste it. So what this simply means that once I upload any video, I will write some content about the video, but this particular content that I just copy and paste here will always be in every of my video. Understand? So it will always be like this one. Say thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more quality videos like this. Okay, this one say have some other videos. You can see, kindly click here to subscribe. You might also want to watch, these are some other videos I have, so I want people to also watch it. So from here, this visibility, set your visibility to what? To public. If you don't set your visibility to public, it simply means whenever you upload any video, you need to select public. So just set it to public. And then for tags, it's very important for you to set tags. It's very important for you to put tags in every of your video. Tags are very important because tags is what will help YouTube to know what the video is all about, and for YouTube to suggest your video to people. Then tags is also help you people, whatever people are searching online, people are searching about cryptocurrency, people are searching about how to make money on Facebook, how to make money on YouTube or Google. The tags you put on that video, what will help YouTube to make kind of video, and then what people are searching related to what you have, then will be shown to them. So let's say my channel, mostly I'll be talking about how to make money, online. I will type money. I will type cryptocurrency. Okay, I will type, let's say, cash, for example. So there are different kind of tags you will set for your video. These particular tags will always be in every of my videos, since much of my video will always be about how to make money online. So also remember that when you upload new videos, you will add more tags about that particular video. If I'm doing a video about how to make money from affiliate marketing, then my tags have to be affiliate marketing, how to make money with affiliate marketing 2022, how to make money with affiliate marketing for beginners. These are what we call tags that you need to set. These are what people are searching online, and that's what you need to set. So after all this, the next thing you need to do, you go to advanced setting. From your advanced setting, you can see you select your video language. Always select your video language. At least if you are in an English speaking country, you select English. So I'm going to select English. We are different English. I will select this particular English. After all these settings, the next thing I will do now is to save my changes. Okay, so the next setting I want to teach you, again, you need to set on your YouTube channel so that your channel will be visible, is I go to customization. When you go to your YouTube customization, you can see layout, channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. This channel trailer is all about setting a video that once people visit your YouTube page for the first time, those that are not subscribed, they will always see this video first. It's very important for you to set it. They will have featured video for returning subscribers. Let's say those that subscribe to your channel, they decide to visit your YouTube page, this video will always show to them. So make sure that you set it. Then you go to branding. Here you can set your YouTube logo. If you want to learn how to create a logo, I will be doing a video on that, how to create a logo. Under 1 minute, you will create a logo. If you use site like freelogodesign.org. Okay, create your own logo for free in just a few minutes. Actually, I designed this logo using that site under 1 minute. I designed this logo, you see, under 1 minute. So let's go back. So you need to change what? Set your logo, and here you need to also design your YouTube banner. This is how YouTube banner looks like. This is my YouTube banner. So all these things are very important for you to set on your YouTube channel, for your YouTube channel to look professional, and for YouTube to take you serious. Okay, you can also design this YouTube banner using Canva. I'll be doing another video on Canva, how to design YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, YouTube Canva on what? On Canva. These are some of my thumbnails. These are some of my thumbnails. I have different YouTube channels, so these are some of my thumbnails. And I'm really coming to design my thumbnails. Okay, you can see how they look good, look professional, and look attractive. So these are things you need to know about YouTube. So the next thing you need to go is to go to basic information. So this basic information here is actually when someone goes to your channel. For example, this is my channel. When I click on this about, someone click on this about, you can see there is no write-up about this channel. So I'm actually going to set about my channel. So there's one I have down here. For example, let's say I will copy this one that I have here already, so that I will save time. In order to save time, let's go back to our channel. Let's go back to our YouTube. So I will paste it here. So I've set it. You can see. So the next thing is our YouTube link is already here. You can set links. You can see where they wrote links. I've just added my Twitter link, my Instagram link, my website link. Okay. So once you set all this, all you need to do is you click on published. When you click on published, every settings you've done will be activated. So let's visit our YouTube page again. Let's refresh and see. Okay. So these are important. Can you see the about here? Can you see this? Now, when someone click on about, they can actually see your description. This one is the exclusive YouTube channel, and other information they need to know about the channel. Okay. So we need to set your email address. You want some, maybe companies want to contact you for a business. It's very important for you to set your email address. So I'm going to copy this email address here. I'm going to copy this email address. Let's go back to our settings. You can see the email here. This is our email address. Let's set it here. Okay. Let me use that particular email. gentlegenerationbiz@gmail.com. at gmail.com. This will be our email address, so people can contact us on YouTube. So this is how you set up your YouTube channel. These are some professional YouTube settings that you need to set up on your channel, so that your channel will be visible, so that people can see your channel fast, and so that YouTube itself will suggest your video and your channel to people. See, YouTube is all about search engine. Google is all about search engine. If people cannot see your content online, people will not watch your videos. YouTube will not suggest. So you need to YouTube need to know what your channel is all about, or what your video is all about. That is why these YouTube channel settings are very important for you to do for you to do. So, like I said before, try to set up your settings, because I've seen many channels on YouTube that they don't have about us, they don't have tags, they don't have keywords. So most time when you upload videos, people don't know what your channel is all about, or you start seeing some kind of views. The views you might be getting might not be what you really want. So this is how you set up your YouTube channel. Once again, thank you, and kindly subscribe for more quality videos like this. I'll be dropping more videos, more educational videos that you will like, and how to make money online.